Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe. 如果你喜欢这个 video 的话，请记得关注我们的微信公众号哦。Hi everyone, I'm Melon from soapncrafts. Today we're going to make rose quartz, something that looks like this. In order to make this, I don't use mold at all. So we're going to use aluminum foil again. So you need to make some shape that's similar like this. And of course we need the soap base. So I have the transparent soap base and white milk, goat milk soap base. Okay, so first step, we're going to make the crystals that stick out. I use the pink cool pink mica for that. So let's begin. So we will be making 4 layers of base. The first layer is white and then transparent pink and white again. The last layer will be transparent pink, and it's also the layer to attach the sticks and the base together. And then I will use spoon to create some texture. So from the side you will see the line is not that straight. It has some wave. It looks like a wave line. So in between, when we are waiting the layer to dry, we can start cutting the crystals because it's also dry. So I'm taking out the soap we made earlier and cut them into rectangle shape. So to make the crystal shape, it's very easy. We have the rectangle stick and then we cut the top to pointy. So we put it flat. And cut the top. And then we flip it. We do the same thing again. That's how you get the pointy shape. And then you can slice the angle down. And you can cut a little bit more to give it more dimensions. checking this one. It's almost done. So the last layer is pink again. So when you stick this crystal, try not to make them straightforward. Make it more like flat, pointed out. So you can just try to rearrange them to see if that's the way you like. So we're now taking out the aluminum foil wrap. To see more clearly how to fill the edges. So that's almost done. The last thing is fix the sides. So I will slice the side to let the layers showing more. So this is how it will look like. And then at the end I will sprinkle some diamond caster glitter on top to make it look shiny. So my crystal is done. This is the rose quartz in a darker version. This is a very light rose quartz soap that I did earlier. Which one you like?